Hi guys, this is Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I just did a painting and I realized I didn't press record. So that'll end up at the end of this one, and I'm going to go over my colors again. This is Decoart Americana 24 karat gold with a little golden nickel azo gold. This is Matisse Australian red violet. This is Matisse in Southern Ocean blue. This is Champagne by who is this? Modern Masters. This is Modern Masters in Venetian blue mixed with some Amsterdam Payne's gray. So let's try this again. I'm going to take my cup, run it over. This is exactly how much I used last time, and it was perfectly measured. This is my Decoart satin enamel pearl pour recipe. I will put that in the description as always. I'm going to stretch this out. We're doing a pearl Dutch pour tonight. I love the delicateness of these paintings. So beautiful, so easy, and so quick. All right, it is all off now. I will be saving those drips from my table for a future pour. There we go. So I'm going to, you always want to pop your bubbles. There you go. So last time I put this down first. This time I'm going to put the champagne, so we don't have the gold right on top. And then I do want lots of this. Put a little bit there, there, and then there. That's a lot. It's a lot of paint, always. Some things never change. Okay, I like the gold, not so dominant. I really like that ocean blue. And I love that, boy, I'm glad I did this again. Kind of had to. This is really pretty. So the pearls will pop through. I can blow on it. If I blow on it, there'll be more pearls. Like, watch. That's pretty. And you'll see all the pearls come up through there. I am loving this type of pour. Yep. So I'm going to put you on time lapse and let this thing do its thing. I'm going to torch it first. See, look at all those white cells, white pearls coming up. This lacing is insane. Wow. I hope it kind of creeps in a little bit. Wow. This has a lot more color than the last one, but it's early. All right. I think we're good for now. I'll put you on time lapse and I'll be back. Well, hello. So this one turned out nice too. Now, I don't know if it was my imagination, but it looks like it's shifting this way. So I'm going to turn the canvas. But the lacing is insane. Just loving it. Still have my little Michelle touches to it. I've been finding that less is more. So I haven't been enhancing them as much. That way I don't run into trouble with problem areas. And that I've created on my own. Look at that lacing. Holy cow. Yeah. And then these colors. There are so many different hues. Like I didn't put purple in here at all. Of course, the red violet and the Payne's gray and Venetian blue mixed there. But the colors will still pop up by morning in between the cells. So this is it. That's it. That's all. I'm not going to be doing any more tonight. And I'll probably tack on that other one. So if I do, please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ciao for now. I lost you guys. I looked up and it wasn't filming. I'm like, what? I don't know if I lost it all or what, but anyhow. Well, we'll have to see what happens. I'm liking this color combination. I might just pull a couple of those out. A couple's good, just a couple. There, that's it, that's all. So there's a big blob of gold here. What do we do? I'm still gonna just let it go. I am going to put you on time lapse, but I'm going to put you on the time lapse that is not fast. Not gonna flash. Well, that was too much fun. Too bad you guys didn't see the first part of it. Oh my gosh, I'm going to do another one right now. And this might end up at the end of the video. I thought I had pressed record. So I really like these. I love the delicateness of them. And then that color does pop through, and it might pop through even more by morning. These usually dry in a day, so there's a lot of gold in that one spot, but I don't mind it. I kind of like it. So I'll be doing another one. Well, this will probably end up at the end of the video.